Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can change our name on emo. Also, I wonder why you want to change your name on emo. It is because when you created your account, you accidentally added a wrong name, or maybe you did a spelling mistake and now you want to change it, or maybe you want to change from your real name to another name, or maybe from a fake name to a real name. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure you have already installed Emo app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it then you can install it from Google Play or App Store. After that you just have to simply tap on it so it could open. Once the app is open, we have to go to our profile, and after that you have to just simply tap on your profile picture, which is your own picture, or if you have uploaded any other picture, you just have to simply click on it so that we could go further to your account settings and where we can change our name on that app. So for that, just simply click on profile image or profile icon. There you can see we just got onto our profile, and under profile picture you could see the name of this profile, which is Adam. Like that, whatever your name is, it appears here. So now we will see how we can change it. So for that, what you have to do is you have to click on the edit option, which is on the right bottom side of the screen. As you can see this one, you just have to simply tap on it so we could go to the settings and we could change our name. So here on this page, on the top you can see it says edit profile, and it has many options. You can also read this second option, which is username. So username is also your name that you have added as your profile name. Once you tap on it, you will get to this option where you could change the username. So under it, the current username is added. So you can change it. You can add your real name. You can add emojis. If you have a single name, then you can add your surname or your second name, or even you can remove your second name. You can add name into another language by just changing the language of the keyboard. So here you have the freedom that you can add any kind of name if you want to add. And once you're done typing your name, what you have to do is you have to click on this blue icon, blue tick, which is on the top right side of the screen. You just have to simply tap on it and your new name will be added to your profile. Here, as you can see, along with username, you could see the name that we just added is now uploaded as our username on the Emo app. So likewise, you can also upload your name to this app if you follow all the instructions that are shown into this video. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the name on Emo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.